What I wish I knew at your age, the secrets of ancient Egypt and how they thrived in such a harsh environment. It's fascinating. Ancient Egypt was buzzing with trade secrets. Curious, let's uncover them. Imagine bustling markets filled with exotic goods, traders haggling over prices, and the air filled with the scent of spices. It was a vibrant hub of activity. Imagine a giant river stretching through a vast desert. That's the Nile. This mighty river was the lifeline of ancient Egypt, cutting through the arid landscape like a ribbon of life. Ancient Egyptians called it their life-giver. But why? The Nile was more than just a river, it was a source of sustenance, a means of transportation and a spiritual symbol. First, the Nile was like a superpowered garden hose. Its annual floods deposited rich fertile soil along its banks, perfect for growing crops. It watered their crops, making sure they had plenty to eat. The abundance of food allowed the civilization to flourish, supporting a growing population and enabling the development of complex societies. Without it, no yummy bread or fruits. The Nile's bounty was essential for their diet, providing grains for bread, fruits, and vegetables that were staples in their daily meals. Next, the Nile was their highway. This river was the main transportation route, connecting different parts of Egypt and facilitating trade. Egyptians sailed boats filled with gold, papyrus, and grain to trade with other lands. Picture floating supermarkets. Cool, right? These trade routes allowed them to exchange goods and ideas with neighboring civilizations, enriching their culture and economy. But that's not all. The Nile also helped them build great pyramids and temples. How? The river was crucial in transporting the massive stones needed for construction by carrying heavy stones on boats. These stones were quarried far from the construction sites, and the Nile provided a convenient way to move them. So the next time you sip water, think of the Nile and how it shaped ancient Egypt. This river was not just a source of life, but also a symbol of prosperity and continuity. From farming to trading, it was the secret to their amazing civilization. The Nile's influence permeated every aspect of their lives, from the food they ate to the monuments they built. Stay curious, explorers. There's always more to discover about the wonders of ancient Egypt and the incredible role the Nile played in their history. Until next time, keep discovering,